excited, Tita?
Yes.
Also, I'm gonna show you my Salvavita. It's cool, guys. Guys, what do you think? Look, guys.
Ingatan na yan, baka mag-isip ba? Punit na yan, hindi na yan pwede palitan kasi inano na yan doon.
The sequel, guys. Now, guys, I'm gonna fold it.
Hindi ganun ako na.
Thank you. Please begin. In this age where people want to skip movies for illness, we want to make
You just saw me iron top basin, you know, so that's a good car.
sensory of the
Okay na.
meal catering service providing qualified symptoms in a ease-on procedure.
May bago ka bang ano? Panligo? Ha? Yung dati niya na maliit na binigay ni Sheila kay Pau Pau. Tingnan mo yung sabit kung yun na yun. Tingnan mo yung sabit kung yun na yun.
Yung ginamit niyo sa uwan.
Kaya hindi ko nga makita eh.
Yung
Pero,
nasinig ko sa...
kaya nga di ko makita. Ang nakita ko, may dalawa dun sa damitan mo. Baka yun. Yung isa
Yung
malaki.
nasinig sa Bicol.
Tingnan mo doon sa bed kung yun yung pandigo mo. Andun na. Sabi, binabas ko. Tingnan mo
I
doon.
continue bullets.
Opo, dali na. Tingnan mo doon. Kung yun na yun.
And then bring my buddies.
Hanap.
Dad, Her! I'm barking at the dog. Like I should speed always did. Oh yeah. I think this correct. Guys, is this correct? This one is for my swimming. This one. Tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments, okay? I think it's right. Okay. I think this is right. I think this is right.
Yan yun?
Opo. Mama, we're going to the beach tomorrow. Are you excited?
Yes.
Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Hi. I'm so excited.
So guys, when you subscribe to my channel, hit up in comments and subscribe. Bye!